Turning now to New York, where Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial resumes again this morning. The defense will continue cross-examining former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker. Now, he's admitted to buying and burying negative stories about Trump in the lead up to the 2016 election. And yesterday, Pecker revealed new details of the tabloid's catch and kill scheme to protect Trump from some of those stories. So joining me now to talk a little bit more about this is CBS News investigative reporter Graham Cates. So Graham, you were in the courtroom. What stood out to you about Pecker's testimony?
So if prosecutors were laying out a scheme in which Pecker helped Donald Trump kind of hide information from voters, Trump's attorneys tried to paint this as kind of a long-running effort, not just related to Trump, but lots of really famous people, where Pecker kind of knew about stories but didn't let them get published. They had him detail instances where he said he helped bury stories or try to bury stories related to Arnold Schwarzenegger, Mark Wahlberg, Tiger Woods, Rahm Emanuel, who at one point was the chief of staff to Barack Obama. And the point of this is to say this wasn't some unique thing to Donald Trump. This was kind of the way Pecker did business, and it wasn't a vote scheme. It was just a celebrity scheme.
Right. All true, but that's not the reason he's on trial. It's not about the catch and kill. It's about the money and how he used them, or how he misrepresented what the money was for. That's really, but they haven't gotten to that part of the argument yet. But this part is very interesting. I want to ask you about something else, though. Switching gears a little bit. Yesterday, a federal judge rejected Trump's request to strike the $83.3 million in damages that he has been ordered to pay E. Jean Carroll. This is another case everyone remembers. He lost the case with E. Jean Carroll, and then he went and talked about her again, and he had all these damages. This is a defamation trial. What do we know about him trying to get out of paying this?
Yeah, so already Trump is going to appeal that decision. They had asked for a new trial, or at least to strike the damages. Yeah. And what Trump had argued was that the jury couldn't have reasonably concluded that he caused $83 million worth of damages to E. Jean Carroll, because they said that she had begun to receive negative feedback during like a 5-hour gap between when she first told her story and when Trump first made a statement about her story. But what Carroll's attorney said during the trial, after the trial, and what the judge agreed with was, sure, she got a trickle of feedback during those 5 hours, but after Trump defamed her, she received a long-standing deluge of threats and negative feedback and reputational harm. And so the judge said there was no merit to this argument that there should be a new trial or that the damages should be scrapped. Wow. But again, Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, told me they're going to appeal that decision.
So this is not the end of it at all.
That's right. It's going to keep going.
All right, Graham, thank you very much.